In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a football champion poster in Canva African Geek. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar to look for football champion poster. This brings up a gallery of ready-made layouts designed for sports celebrations. Scroll through and pick a pre-designed template that best suits your style and the mood you want: bold and energetic for a big win, or sleek and premium for a more elegant look. Consider the orientation and colors in the template. Choosing one that's already close to your team's palette will save you time and keep everything cohesive. Next, upload a high-quality photo of the champion player. Sharp, lit images make a huge difference, especially when enlarged. Once it's on the canvas, remove the background so the player stands out. Use Canva's background remover and tidy up any rough edges so the cutout looks clean. Place the player prominently, either centered or slightly off-center. Leaving room for text, scale them large enough to command attention without crowding the layout. To strengthen the championship vibe, open Elements and search for trophy, confetti, or golden particles. These accents give the poster energy and context. Keep them tasteful. Position a trophy near the title. Sprinkle confetti around the player. And use golden particles in the background for sparkle. Adjust size, transparency, and layering so these elements support the design without overpowering it. Now update the text. Replace the placeholders with the champion title, team name, and final score. Use bold, contrasting fonts. White or gold on a dark background is classic and easy to read. Make the title the largest element, keep the team name strong, and style the score so it's instantly noticeable. Align your text with the grid of the template and maintain consistent spacing for a polished finish. Add depth with light effects. Select the player and apply a subtle glow behind them to create separation from the background. A soft golden or white glow works well. Then add a shadow underneath using the shadow effects to ground the subject. Keep both effects subtle so the poster feels dynamic without looking heavy. When everything looks balanced, download your design. Choose PNG for a crisp digital image, or PDF for high-quality print. Double-check edges, spelling, and alignment before exporting. That's it. Thanks for watching.